My name is Joe Sandine, and I'm the President and CEO of Onsharp. I'd like to invite you to join us at Onsharp to be a developer of apps, software, or websites. We have a growing team. We're working with hundreds of clients across the country building really cool, innovative technologies that help move the needle for our customers. Developers love working at Onsharp because we really are like a family. I mean, we really respect each other. We work hard, we play hard. You're not alone when you're a developer here. You have resources to lean on. Being in the Onsharp family means being part of something bigger than yourself. And really having the resources you need to be a successful developer. There are so many opportunities for you as a developer at Onsharp. Whether you're a graphic front-end designer, or you want to be a back-end database developer, a tester, there's really so many areas of need that we have because we help our clients take ideas all the way to a full-blown solution. And so your talents are definitely needed here. And as you grow in your career, you do have an opportunity to move into different tracks and different areas as you enhance your skills.
With every client and with every project that comes my way, there's these unique set of problems and things that we need to figure out and come up with a solution. As opposed to other companies where you might be on the same product for years and years and years, you get stuck in a rut and you have to use the same technology. Everything is constantly changing you to keep up with the times.
It's a job where you learn a new thing every single day. Change is the only constant in this position. I love change and I enjoy it, and I get to learn and grow more every day.
So if you're ready to join the Onsharp team, we invite you to check out our latest openings and apply. We're super excited to meet with you.